Hello, all of you are very welcome on LocalWell YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how you can record the advance payment of parties in LocalWell app. So let's start today's video. Advance payments can be of two types. First, how to record the advance payment you have made to someone, and second, how can you record the advance payment made to you in LocalWell app. So first of all we will know what is the process when you give advance payment to someone. So suppose we have given some advance to Dhruvi Pharma Limited. So whenever you make a purchase from any party, many times you submit the advance payment to them. Or sometimes the purchase you have made gets returned, then you also add the amount of the returned purchase as advance. So how can you record that advance payment? So first of all select that supplier. After that come to the add payment section on the right hand side. After coming to the add payment section, you will see the second option from the bottom, which is Debit Note. After coming to Debit Note, you will see the option of create new debit note, so press F4 for that and fill the details of the debit note here. Enter a debit note number here and whatever is the advance amount, fill it here and save it by pressing F2 and cross this section. For now, we have created the debit note. So now we have given 5,000 rupees in advance to this party. And if we have any dues with this party, then we can clear them with the help of the debit note. So how will you do it? First of all select the supplier and then go to add payment. Go to the debit note section. Here you will see all the debit notes you have created. We recently created a debit note of DD27 5,000 rupees, so you will see it here. Select this debit note and press F2 to continue, and from here you can select the invoices that you want to settle. You can also select multiple invoices at a time if you wish. So see, let us select two invoices here. We will select one for 2,136 rupees and the other for 8,818 rupees, so the total will be 5,954, but our debit note is for 5,000, so 5,000 will be minus from this. So for that you press F2 and continue, and press F2 and save. So if you see here on the right hand side top, the purchase due has also been reduced, and if you want to see that transaction, then look here, the third option is payment. Here you will see your payment which has come out as 5,000 rupees from debit notes. You have paid two invoices, and after clicking on this you will see both those invoices. Apart from this, now we know the second case of advance payment. When a customer gives you an advance payment, how can you record it? For that, first of all you go to the sales section and select the customer who has given you an advance payment. Go to add payment and the second option from the bottom you will see is credit note. After going to credit note, you have to create a new credit note. So for that press F4, fill the return date of the credit note. You can enter the credit note number here. So whatever advance amount the customer has given you, fill it here and close this section by pressing F2 and saving. So for this customer, if you have any pending invoices or if you have to take any old payment, then you can settle it with the help of credit note. How will you do that? Go to add payment, select credit note. So now see, the recent credit note that we had created of DDD30 of 1,400 rupees, select it, press F2 and continue, and see here, which are the pending invoices of that customer. You want to settle it, select it from here. So let's say we select 3 invoices from here and press F2 to continue. And you can go to the payment section and see. So much payment has been made in credit notes, and which invoices have you settled in it. So in this way you can easily record the advance payment of parties. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for more such informative videos from LocalWell. Like the video. And definitely drop your feedback in the comment section, and for any further information related to LocalWell, you can WhatsApp us today.